Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display badge menu items for your Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you the output. So this is the default app for Flutter when you run for macOS. But if you see at the top, I have added one more menu item of mine called my menu. You can name it whatever you feel like, and if you click on it, here you can see for each of the menu item I'm displaying some kind of a badge. So there are different ways to different all this 5 types of badge. That's why I have created 5 menu item. So yeah, that's what this tutorial will be all about. Let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created a Flutter project. Then you don't have to do anything inside your Dart code. All you have to do is go to your macOS inside your file explorer, and you will have to open the XE workspace inside Xcode for macOS. I have already opened it. Now this badge menu items are only available from macOS 14 and above. So once it is opened in Xcode, you will have to go to your project over here and make sure you update the minimum deployment target to 14. Also you will have to go to runner, and here inside general you will have to update the minimum deployment target to 14. Then you just have to go to app delegate. You have to write this particular bit of code, like override this particular method called application did finish launching. Then here we are checking whether we have the main menu or not. Once we have the main menu, then we just create an ns menu item, and the name I have given it as my menu. So that's what you saw over here, but you can name it whatever you feel like. Then I'm just creating a section header. This is not really necessary, but I just wanted to show you. So here you can see the location menu which we have, that is the section header. This is not really necessary, you can comment it out. Then to create a menu item, all you have to do is ns menu item, pass your first item name, pass an click listener, and here I'm just assigning this key. Like this key equivalent doesn't really work. I thought this is something like a key shortcut. I'm not really sure. Now to display the badge, the first way is to use new items, and then you can pass the count. So this is for the first menu item, and then I just add it to sub menu. Here I have created second menu item. I have given this name, same action, and to display the badge, here you can see I'm using alerts. Then this is the third menu item. Here to display the badge I'm using updates. Then this is the fourth menu item, and here to display the badge I'm just using ns menu item badge. And this is the fifth menu item, and here again I'm using the ns menu item badge, but here I am passing string instead of a number or an int. Then once you have added all your menu items, just do a new menu item dot submenu equal to submenu, and then main menu dot add items menu item. And here I have also added this particular method for the click listener handler for each of our menu item. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.